Welcome, in this video I'm gonna show you a few camera tricks for LG Q70. Okay, so first of all, when you open camera application, we'll be in the photo mode, and right here we can find few features. For example, we can adjust brightness level by tapping on the screen and moving this icon for the left or the right. You can make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. You can also take photo by using volume buttons. They are located right here for the left side. Take a look. You can click volume up or volume down and you will take photo. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to take series of the photo. And in each series you can take 30 photos. When you open it in your gallery, we have to click to view birth shot, and right here we can find all of these photos that we take. Next, we can also change color and the temperature on the photos, and we can make it easy by tapping right here. And as you can see, let me just rotate. Okay. And as you can see right now, we can easily change it. You can adjust strength of the filter by using the slider. Next, we can also enable camera timer between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. So when you enable 3 and click on the shutter, after this time the photo will be taken, and also it will be this flashlight countdown. When you go to the settings, you can enable, for example, this voice shutter. You can say cheese, smile, whiskey or kimchi and LG to take photo. So we can try if this function works. We can test smile, for example. Smile, smile, kimchi. Okay, as you can see, kimchi, it's easily detected, but smile wasn't. But we can say that this function is working. We can also enable the grid lines. So as you can see right now, the lines appears on the screen, and they basically help us to take better composition on the photos. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit to show you, to get you better preview. And we can also open these more modes where we can, for example, find other options, like for example the night view. So when you are in the dark scenario and you want to get more light, better looking photo with the low lighting condition, you can enable this option. Here you can also adjust the strength of this option, for example like that. So that's how the photo looks. Really nice for me, even when it's dark inside. Looks not bad. You can also adjust the photo quality by using this option right here. So as you can see, you can even turn on this 32 megapixel mode, and I'm gonna show you comparison between the normal mode and this one. So I just turned on this 32 megapixel mode, and let's take photo of this objects in front of me. For example, I'm gonna focus on this button, and then I'm gonna do the same but with the 8 megapixel mode. And let's see how it looks. Okay, so this photo was taken with the 8 megapixel mode, and that's how this button looks. And this one was taken with the 32 megapixel mode. And honestly, there's no big difference. You can zoom in a little bit closer on this mode, but there's nothing game changing. So yeah, that's all for this video. That's camera tricks for the LG Q70. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.